Hi, my name is Prince Adam. Once upon a time, I lived in a grand castle, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of magnificent gardens and ornate halls. I had everything a person could desire, but I was proud and selfish, focusing only on appearances. One fateful day, an old beggar woman arrived at my castle doorstep, seeking shelter from a storm. Disgusted by her unkempt appearance, I turned her away. Revealing her true form, she transformed into a beautiful enchantress. She placed a curse upon me, turning me into a hideous beast and casting a spell on my castle and all who resided within. Ashamed of my monstrous appearance, I retreated into the depths of my castle, isolated and alone. The enchantress left behind a magical rose, and she warned me that the only way to break the curse was to find true love before the last petal fell. Years passed, and hope began to fade from my heart. Until one day, a young woman named Belle appeared in my life. She was different from anyone I had ever known. Belle saw beyond my exterior and recognized the kind soul hidden within. As Belle lived with me in the castle, our friendship grew. We spent time together, exploring the grand library and sharing stories. Slowly, love started to bloom between us, but the curse still held its grip. One evening, when Belle was visiting her sick father, I discovered that he was in grave danger. Despite my fearsome appearance, I ventured out into the dark woods to rescue him. Against all odds, I overcame my fears and fought off a pack of wolves to save Belle's father. When Belle returned to the castle and saw the wounds I had sustained, she showed me compassion and tenderness. At that moment, I realized that true beauty lies in acts of kindness and selflessness. Moved by Belle's love and the transformation I had undergone within, the enchantress appeared once more. She lifted the curse, and I was restored to my original form as Prince Adam. The grand castle also regained its splendor. Belle and I danced together, celebrating our newfound happiness. From that day onward, we lived our lives filled with joy, love, and a deep appreciation for the beauty found within. Life taught me a valuable lesson, that true beauty lies within a person's heart and soul, not in their appearance. And through the power of love, even the most enchanting transformations can occur. Thanks for listening to my story.